Hi, welcome to this lesson. Today, we will learn how to create and sell AI-powered digital products. But before we jump into the strategy, I want to highlight why this is such a smart place to start, especially if you are new to selling online or building passive income. So, you don't need to be a writer, designer, or tech expert to get started, and you don't need inventory or an audience either. Digital products let you create something once, such as a guide, a planner, a template, and you can sell it over and over again without ongoing work. That's the beauty of leverage. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Docs, you can plan, create, and package a product in a single weekend, and list it on platforms that already have buyers. This lesson will walk you through the strategy for choosing the right idea, turning it into a finished product using AI, and getting it out into the world without overcomplicating it. You are not just learning how to make the product. You are learning a repeatable skill you can resell as a service or use to grow your income over time. Now, let's talk about your product idea, because this is where most people overthink or stall out. The best AI-powered products solve one clear problem. It could be helping a new freelancer onboard clients, giving a coach content ideas, or organizing a solopreneur's workflow. So keep your product specific and actionable, because you are not selling information, you are selling speed, clarity, or simplicity. If your product saves time, reduces stress, or helps someone take action faster, then it's valuable to your customers. But you don't need to guess what to make. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm with just one prompt. You can try this. Give me 10 digital product ideas for here insert the audience. That solve here insert the pain points, and can be delivered as a guide, template, or toolkit. You can start with just one idea, one simple, clear solution that your target buyers would happily pay 10 to 50 USD for. Once you've chosen your product idea, the next step is to plan the content, and ChatGPT makes that part incredibly fast. The most important thing to remember is that you are not trying to write a novel. You are building a small, helpful digital product that delivers one result. In our Module 2, we already covered the full tutorial on building digital products, so I will not do another step-by-step demo here. If you haven't seen that lesson yet, definitely go back and walk through the full creation flow. You also have access to prompt resources, templates, and planning tools in your downloads. So make sure to refer to those documents when you are ready to build. In this lesson, I want to keep the focus on strategy behind a great product structure. And remember, ChatGPT is your thinking partner. You are not starting from scratch. You are refining what the AI gives you and shaping it into something useful. After you build and package your digital product, the next step is to get it in front of buyers. The good news is, you don't need a website or a big audience to make sales. There are marketplaces that already have traffic and are built for exactly this kind of digital product. You will find all of my top recommendations in the marketplace list PDF in this lesson. Here's a quick breakdown. Gumroad is one of the fastest ways to sell toolkits or swipe files, especially if you want a clean checkout and simple setup. Etsy is perfect if your product is more visual, like a printable planner, checklist, or Canva-based workbook. It also has a strong built-in search traffic. Payhip gives you flexible pricing, bundles, and even membership if you want to grow beyond a single product. If you are working with Notion templates, there are platforms like Notionary that let you list your templates for free and share them easily. And if you've created a longer form guide or ebook style product, Amazon KDP can be a great option for long-term discoverability. Your goal right now is to choose one platform that fits your product type and upload your first version. It doesn't have to be perfect, because done is better than perfect. and your first listing will give you real data to improve from. Once your product is live, you are not done yet. You are just getting started. One of the best ways to grow your income from a single product is to repurpose and expand it into multiple offers. Let's say you created a 10-page guide. You can split that into 2 smaller checklists, expand it into a bundle or product suite, such as a Notion template, or repackage it as part of a bundle. If your product is working, give people more ways to access it. You can also teach the content in a live workshop, build a simple video workflow, or offer a pro version that includes editable templates, bonus checklists, or swipe files. This is where real leverage kicks in. One good idea can become 3 to 5 different products, and some people will buy more than one if you package it right. You don't need to start from scratch each time. You only need to build once and expand smartly. Another way to grow your income from a single product is to sell the product as a service. And here's something most beginners overlook. The skill you just used to create your own digital product is a service you can sell to others. So why does this work? Because most business owners want the outcome, not the process. There are coaches, consultants, small business owners, and creators who want their own branded guide, need a magnet, workbook, or templates, but they don't know how to make one, and they definitely don't want to start from scratch. And the best part, your digital product becomes your portfolio. You can share it as a sample when pitching clients, include it in a sales page, or post it in a freelancing group. You can offer done for you digital product creation using the same exact workflow you just followed, such as branded guides or planners. Even simple branded products can go from $150 to $300 USD per product, especially if you include visuals or setup support. If you package the product with visuals, extras, or formatting, you can charge $300 to $500 USD. Remember that you are not just creating passive income. You are building a high-value freelance skill at the same time. Now, let's talk about what makes a product actually sell. Because most beginners think that a digital product has to be perfectly designed to sell. But the truth is, it's not about how pretty it looks. It's about how clearly it solves a problem. The best-selling digital products focus on one specific issue that your audience is already struggling with. Something like, I don't know how to onboard clients, or I need a better way to plan my content. If your product helps them fix that quickly, they're way more likely to buy. That's why you want your product to be short, specific, and focused on a clear result, such as set up your client onboarding system in one afternoon, or get 30 content ideas in just 15 minutes. And finally, make it easy to use. You can use bullet points to keep it skimmable. Add a checklist or a quick start guide at the end if it helps. If the buyer can open your product and take action right away, it's already better than 90% of what's out there. And from here, you have a few great next steps. You can upload your product to a marketplace using the marketplace list and set up prompts. You can use it as a portfolio piece and start pitching clients for done-for-you product creation. Or you can go deeper and turn that first product into a bundle, a workshop, or a whole income stream. So start small, stay focused, and get it out there. And this is a skill you can build over and over again. Now you are ready. Go launch it, and I will see you in the next lesson.